In this video, we will be configuring our printers in eFORMz. The eFORMz director is what automates the forms and reports process. It is designed to run as a service. And of course, you can configure your process with the director toolkit. And to access the director toolkit, you'll simply go to the eFORMz composer and select host tools and either the local director toolkit if you're on Windows, or AS400, you would select AS400 and then director toolkit. And for Unix and all of its various flavors, such as AIX, you would go to Unix and director toolkit. So we have our director toolkit open, and we've got a process configured here. And for more on configuring a toolkit configuration, you can look at our director toolkit video on our YouTube page. So we have this, we have it all ready to go, but if we want to print, we're going to need to configure some printers. So to adjust our printer configurations, we're going to configure a network printer for use in our automation setup here. And these printers must be defined from the Printers tab of the Director Toolkit, so they can be used in conjunction with the specified process at the Configure tab at the Configure level, this configuration right here. And we're going to just go over first to our Printers tab here. And we'll see first, you'll note here in the bottom left it'll say licensed, and we're licensed for 2 printers here, and of course we have none configured. So we're going to want to change that. We're going to want to configure one. And to configure a new printer, we're going to select Add right here. And it's going to ask us for a name. And you can give it a name or you can leave this blank. It's just a descriptive title that's assigned to a printer to better identify it. You also can choose the printer language, and eFORMz supports a variety of printer languages. PCL is probably the most commonly used, but Image, Color PCL, PostScript, Zebra XML, AFPDS, ZPL2, SBPL, which is SATO Business Printer Language, ESPOS, Intermec, and Toshiba. So variety there. And devices down here, this is going to allow you to add multiple devices to one name descriptor. For example, this would be used with print pooling. So let's go ahead and just give a name here, and I'll just say statement printer. And this is going to obviously print statements. And we'll just select the Add button here in the Devices field. And we're going to get another dialog here. And to select a printer, we just select the Browse button next to the Device field. And we can select a variety of printers here. There are a few of them. I'm going to select this networked printer here, this Rico, and select OK. And we're good to go there. Note here, however, that the director, because it's designed to run as a service, printers added should not be user-defined. So if printers from your system's devices don't appear in the director listing, keep in mind the printer may not qualify to be used as a printer for a service, so you might have to change some of the configuration requirements there. But anyway, your selected device will appear, and you can go ahead and select OK if you don't have any source or output tray assignments there. And select OK. There it is. It's showing up in our Devices field. And we can go ahead and, it is a PCL printer, so we don't have to change any of the languages. And we can go ahead and select OK then. And there we go. We have successfully configured a printer. We can, of course, click Save, and we have ourselves a successful configuring of the printers.